Hi everyone, this is the video that goes along with online work number 30. We are finding area of circles today. Now in the past two lessons we found circumference, and we said circumference is the distance around a circle. But now we're talking about area, which is the amount of space it would take to cover a circle. Like if you wanted to carpet a circle or paint a circle. Anytime you want to cover a circle, that's area. And remember that area always gets measured in square units. So the definition of area, remember to take notes and try these problems with me, is the number of square units. Oops, I'm hitting the phone. Sorry about that. Square units needed to cover a figure. Let's say we're talking about covering a circle. So real life examples would be if you wanted to put a pool cover on your pool, you need to cover that circle. If you had a cool circular bedroom and you wanted to lay carpeting down on it, how the area of the floor would tell you how much carpeting to buy. Anytime you are covering something, that's area. Now the formula for finding the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. Remember we said on yesterday's lesson that for circumference, you could remember coffee, pie, and donuts. Well, for area, you could remember apple pie and raisins too. Area is pi times radius squared. Write down that formula. That's going to be important. So here's a circle. The radius is 3 feet. We want to find the area. So we're just going to plug that 3 feet into the formula. So it's going to say pi times 3 squared. Remember, exponents always come before multiplication. So 3 squared is 9. So this is just pi times 9. But since the directions don't tell us to round anything, we're going to leave it in terms of pi and say the area is 9 pi square feet. And that's all you're going to do here. Area is pi times the radius squared. Let's try another one. Here we have a circle with a radius of 5. So we're going to use the formula, area equals pi times radius squared. Maybe this would be a good one for you to try on your own. Pause the video, see if you can get it. The radius is 5, so we're going to plug 5 in for r. So it's going to say pi times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25, so the area is just pi times 25, or 25 pi square centimeters. Now, how about if I gave you a circle and I wanted you to find the area, but this time I wanted you to round to the nearest square centimeter, so the nearest whole number. So you're going to start with your formula. Area equals pi times radius squared. The radius is 6. So it's going to say area equals pi times 6 squared. 6 squared is 36, so that's really just pi times 36, or 36 pi square centimeters. Now this time, because the directions tell us to round, we're not going to leave it in terms of pi. So we're going to punch 36 times pi in our calculator. So 36 times pi, there's pi right there. Don't forget to hit equals. And if we rounded that to the nearest whole number, it'd be 113 square centimeters. Remember, if you don't have a pi button, pi is 3.14159. Oops, you can't see that. 2654. So at this step, you could have punched in 36 times 3.141592654. Okay, one more problem, and then that's it. Here's a circle. We're going to find the area of it. We're going to round it to the tenths place. You have to be careful on this one because you know the formula is area equals pi times radius squared. But you weren't given the radius here. You were given the diameter all the way across the circle. Well, if the diameter is 8, the radius is only going to be half of that. The radius is only going to go halfway through the circle. So you're going to take that 8, cut it in half, and realize the radius is 4 inches. So we're going to do pi times 4 squared. Well, 4 squared is 16. So this is 16 pi square inches. But now, since the directions tell you to round, you're going to punch that in your calculator. 16 times pi, 16 times 3.141592654. Hit equals, and round it to the tenths place. That would be 50.3 square inches. I hope that helps you with today's work. Let me know if you need any help. Have a great day.